Rocks and the rock cycle. A rock is a solid made up of a bunch of different minerals. Rocks are generally not uniform or made up of exact structures that can be described by scientific formulas. Scientists generally classify rocks by how they are made or formed. There are three major types of rocks: metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary. Metamorphic rocks are formed by great heat and pressure. They are generally formed inside the Earth's crust where there is enough heat and pressure to form the rocks. Metamorphic rocks are often made from other types of rock. For example, shale, a sedimentary rock, can be changed or metamorphosized into a metamorphic rock such as slate or gneisses. Other types of metamorphic rocks include anthracite, soapstone, and schist. Igneous rocks are formed by volcanoes. When a volcano erupts, it spews out hot molten rock called magma or lava. Eventually, the magma will cool down and harden, either when it reaches the Earth's surface or somewhere within the crust. This hardened magma or lava is called igneous rock. Some examples of igneous rock include basalt and granite. Sedimentary rocks are formed by years and years of sediment compacting together and becoming hard. Generally, something like a stream or river will carry lots of small pieces of rocks and minerals into a larger body of water. These pieces will settle at the bottom, and over a really long time, perhaps millions of years, they will form into a solid rock. Some examples of sedimentary rocks are shale, limestone, and sandstone. Soil. Soil is a mixture of minerals and organic material that covers much of the Earth's surface. Minerals are bits of rock, and organic material is the remains of living things that have died. Soil is not as solid as rock. It has many small spaces, called pores, that hold water and air. In some places on Earth, a thin layer of soil, only 6 inches or 15 centimeters, lies on top of rock. In other places, the soil may be hundreds of feet deep. Without soil, most of life on Earth could not survive. Soil provides a place for plants to grow. It holds water in places for roots. It contains nutrients or food substances needed for their growth. Soil also provides a home for many animals and other living things. Soil forms slowly. A layer of soil that is 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters thick may take 500 to 1,000 years to form. For this reason, it is important to protect soil from erosion, being blown or washed away. The mineral part of soil forms rocks. Such forces as wind, water, and temperature changes break down rocks into tiny particles or bits. The smallest particles are clay. Medium-sized particles are called silt. The largest particles are called sand. Different types of soil contain different mixtures of clay, silt, and sand. The organic part of soil forms when plants and animals die. Their bodies decay or break down and mix with the rock particles. The organic material, called humus, helps to form the pores in the soil. It keeps the soil soft and loose. Humus provides the nutrients used by plants. Soil is made up of layers. The layers rest on solid rock, called bedrock. A layer of broken rock rests on the bedrock. Some of this rock may have gone into forming the soil above. The soil above the broken rock is called subsoil. Subsoil contains mostly minerals and a small amount of humus. Only the deepest plant roots reach the subsoil. The top layer is called topsoil. Topsoil contains a lot of humus. It is a layer where plants grow.